In this video, I am gonna teach you how to earn money from Teaching and Tutoring Online is a flexible and profitable way to earn money while sharing your knowledge and skills. Here's a comprehensive guide to getting started. 1. Identify your expertise. Determine the subjects or skills you can teach, such as academic subjects, math, science, English, or history. Languages, English, Spanish, French, etc. Skills-based topics, coding, graphic design, or photography. Hobbies, music, painting, cooking, or fitness. 2. Choose a teaching format. One-on-one tutoring. Personalized sessions tailored to individual students. Ideal for specialized subjects or language learning. Group classes. Teach multiple students at once via live sessions. Suitable for general topics or popular skills. Pre-recorded courses. Create video lessons that students can purchase and learn at their own pace. Passive income potential. Workshops and webinars. Short-term, topic-specific sessions. Great for engaging a larger audience in real time. 3. Select online platforms. For one-on-one tutoring and group classes, VipKid, teach English to children globally. Wisent connects tutors with students in various subjects. Proply, focused on language tutoring. Chegg Tutors offers a wide range of academic subjects for selling pre-recorded courses. Udemy, a popular platform with a vast audience. Teachable, create and sell custom courses. Skillshare, focused on creative and professional skills for hosting your own classes. Zoom, ideal for live, interactive sessions. Google Meet, free and easy to use for virtual classes. Kajabi, a platform for building and marketing your courses. 4. Set your pricing. Research market rates for your subject and expertise. Charge hourly for tutoring or set fixed prices for courses. Offer discounts for bulk sessions or group classes. Examples: tutoring, $20, $100, how depending on expertise. Online courses, $20 to $100 per course. 5. Prepare your teaching material. Develop structured lesson plans and objectives. Use engaging resources like slides, videos, PDFs, or quizzes. Utilize tools like Canva visuals or PowerPoint presentations. 6. Market your services. Social media. Use platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook to promote your services. Share tips, success stories, or testimonials to build trust. Freelancing websites. List your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or PeoplePerher. Email marketing. Build an email list to promote courses or classes. Word of mouth. Ask satisfied students to recommend you to others. 7. Deliver high-quality classes. Use reliable video conferencing tools with good audio and video quality. Maintain a distraction-free environment. Engage students with interactive activities, Q&A sessions, and real-world examples. 8. Collect feedback and improve. Ask students for feedback to refine your teaching approach. Continuously upgrade your skills to stay relevant in your field.